Bago na akong i-discover, siguradong masashock kayo sa ibabahagi ko. I go to outer space. I go to infinite dimension, transfinity. Nothing universe. Transfinity, nothing universe, observable universe, unknown universe, mystery universe, super light years far away from Earth. I go to super years. I go to pinaka super overall overhead all years. Imaginations, reality, expectations, reality, supervision, and vision, reality. Siguradong masashock kayo sa ibabalita ko. Let's face it, ito reality, permanent, lifetime, forever, yun. Asan na ba tayo? Andito. Naka-stuck lang. Saan? Sa ibang universe. Teka. What? Ang dami na pala.